How to measure and install a diamond grille security door to an old Bradnams OX sliding door. How to measure the door. To measure the width, measure from the inside of the receiver channel to the outside of the glass door back interlock. Measure the drop from the top pip track to the top edge of the bottom sliding door pip track. Note, when measuring from pip to pip, deduct between 10 and 14 millimeters to allow wheels to fit on both upper and lower sill tracks. To find the lock height, measure from the sill track to the top of the door handle and add about 10 to 20 millimeters. To measure the top guide, bring some samples with you and place them inside the sliding door top channel. Move them from side to side to check clearance and select the right one. On to the installation. Fix the top guides onto the top of the security door, positioning them outside of the sliding door wheels. Carefully lift the door up into the top channel, then swing the door across, lifting the bottom wheels and locating them on the bottom pip track. Once lifted and positioned correctly, the door will slide sweetly on the bottom pip track. Check if the door slides well and closes square with the receiver. If the security door is not aligned, adjust your bottom wheels from the inside and align the security door lock side style with the receiver jam channel. Installing the lock. First, install the cylinder. Face the cylinder tongue towards the jam. Turn the key and then insert and tighten with the cylinder screw provided. Install the lock handle faceplates and the snib on the inside part of the door. Insert and tighten the screws. To install the striker, insert striker plates, lock the door and peel the tape off. Slide the door to the close position and push slightly. Unlock and open the door. The striker plates will be attached to the receiver channel in the correct position. Before fixing off the striker, make a small hole in the receiver where you'll screw. Then screw the striker plates using the screws supplied in the lock kit. Checking the lock alignment. If the lock closes tight, you may need to add the supplied packers behind the center striker plate. Recheck if the door locks smoothly. Measure and installing the interlock. Measure from the bottom of the fixed glass door side sill to the top of the glass. Deduct 10 millimeters for the cut size of your F interlock. Position the F interlock to the back edge of the security door, finding the center of the door and aligning the F interlock tongue into its receiver. Once aligned, fix your F interlock to the security door with security screws. We recommend 9 equally spaced screws for the 2100mm security door and 11 for the 2400mm door. Now measure and install the bug strip. Measure from the tip of the receiver channel to the back edge of the door. Then insert the fringe into the strip. Cut to size and clip both ends for a secure fit. To finish the installation, fix the bug strip with screws. Clean the floor and any debris from inside the bottom channel. Now you can measure and install a diamond grille security door. If you want to become a Starline Security Dealer, contact us for more information.